So if you want to access the developer features on your Android phone, this is what you want to do. Go on and open settings, and once settings is open, you want to scroll till you find about phone. Tap on about phone and scroll to the bottom of about phone. Here you find somewhere build number. Tap on the build number for 7 consecutive times and then unlock your device. Developer options will be enabled on your Android phone. Now simply tap on back, and here you want to tap on settings this time around. Under settings, you scroll down a little and you find the developer option. Tap on developer option and you'll be able to find all the developer features you can have access to with your Android phone. Now to turn off developer option, simply come back through settings to developer option and then toggle off on developer option. Now when you go back, developer option will no longer be an option under system. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.